Welcome back to the channel where we discuss everything low code, no code, AI, and automation. If you're anything like me, you've struggled to crack the code of virality on either TikTok or YouTube Shorts, finding the right niche, poaching the right content, what time to post it. It all seems like a giant maze, but today I'm going to show you a new tool that guides you through all of this. It leverages AI-driven insights from 21,000 different creators and tracks viral trends across platforms, helping you identify winning content patterns and optimal posting times, plus so much more. You can create content boards, you can generate ideas with AI, and I'm going to show you how to do all of this in the video so you can no longer be left in the dark when you're creating your short form video content. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any other videos like this one. And if you have any comments for either us or the creators of this tool, drop them below and we'll be sure to get them answered for you. Okay, let's go ahead and jump in and show you how this all works. Okay, so we've landed at Virlo.ai, and before we dive into the demo, I just want to talk about some of the features of this platform. Now, there's plenty of tools to actually create video and edit video, but the biggest problem in the first place is actually finding what type of content to post and what's going to perform well, and that's where Virlo really shines. So taking a look at some of the features here, they have a TikTok profile analyzer where you can uncover trends, hashtags, best time to post, content strategies, same with the YouTube creator research. They also have a niche analyzer, which is really the bread and butter of this product, where you can search by niche and find high performing videos in that niche. They have an outlier feature, which is really nice. It shows you viral breakthrough videos that are performing significantly better than the other videos on that creator's channel. So there's some good opportunities in outliers. There's collections, so you could set up collections for your favorite video content and your topic ideas. They have a content generator coming soon, and you can even find a video editor right within this platform. Okay, so let's go ahead and log into our account and show you how this app looks. So I love the interface of this. We have all kinds of different niches here scrolling across the top. If we come down here under niches, we see all these different niches. So they have ranking content, which is default, but they have niches in all kinds of different categories. And I just want to point out, you can even suggest a niche if you don't see your specific niche here in this list. But they have motivational, they have educational, they have horror, scary, storytelling, fitness, geography, quiz, soccer clips, religion, podcast clips, and the list goes on and on. So let's go ahead and just choose podcast clips to show you what this looks like. And this is super cool. So I chose the podcast clips niche. We see the popular trend graph over here, and we can sort it by any time frame that we would like. We see the current performance and the consistency of the current performance. We can click to get additional insights, like a high viral potential. We also see the engagement trends. Right now, the engagement is stable. We can again see more insights. And we also see the best time to post, which is super helpful for this niche because every niche is different, and a fitness niche might have a much different time to post than a podcast niche. Okay, moving down the page here, we get these AI ideas for topics, which is super great. The first one here, top 10 must listen podcast clips of the week with a 90 score. I really like this idea. This is right on trend with the podcast niche. And there's all kinds of other ideas here that you can look at. You can even regenerate them if you want to. So it's basically an endless stream of ideas for video topics. But scrolling down is really where we get to the bread and butter of this app. What we're looking at here is in cards of 4 top videos in this niche. What's super cool is we can sort this by views, likes, comments, or engagement. And we can even filter by specific platform, whether it be YouTube or TikTok. And we can just scroll through endlessly here and take a look at these videos. And when you find inspiration, we can bookmark or save it to one of our collections. And I'll show you how that works in a minute. So again, we're looking at the podcast clips niche, but you can go back to the dashboard and just change your niche quite easily. We want to create content in finance. We can do the same thing here for finance. We see a new popularity trend graph. We see a new best time to post, new content ideas, and new top videos. And every time you refresh the page, you're going to see new videos. So these don't get saturated here in your dashboard. Okay, so next up, I want to show you collections here. So let's go to our collections. And we already created one here. You can create a new collection if you would want, like viral idea 2. Choose a folder color. We can add a collection. We see our viral idea 2. I'm just going to refresh our page here. Make sure it's there. Okay, great. So now we can come back to our dashboard. We can go back into our niche. Let's go ahead and just do podcast clips again. And now when we see a video that gives us inspiration and maybe we want to create a similar video, all we have to do is hit this heart button and we can add it to any one of our collections. And then now this will actually be saved in this collection here. So we can see it. If we just refresh the page, we will see that we now have a video in this folder so we can reference it later. You can also tab to ideas, and I'll show you what that looks like here. So if we go back to our dashboard and we choose another niche, let's go to podcast clips again for the sake of consistency. When we see these ideas, if we see an idea that really resonates with us that we want to create later, we can just simply hit this plus button again, add it here to the collection, and then we go back to collections, we'll actually see that video in here. So you can really create this really great resource of collections here for any niche that you're trying to create in. One of the best features of this app is this feature called outlier. So when you click this, what we're actually seeing here is videos that perform significantly better than other videos on that creator's channel. So for example, this one performed 292x better than the average video on this creator's channel. So we might want to take a look at this to see why it's performing well, why it's an outlier, and this might give us inspiration for a next video. Similarly, we can filter by platform here, and we can even toggle this on so we can see the recent outliers. So really, again, just an endless stream of ideas that you can just add to your collections and then start creating video content for. Another really nice feature here is the creator search. You can search by username on TikTok or YouTube. We'll go ahead and put in ours, Maker Thrive. Now this takes a minute, but if you hit analyze, what's going to happen here is it's going to pull in all the videos from this creator's profile, and it's going to give you an analysis and report in the form of a dashboard that gives you all kinds of different insights about the channel. So check this out. We can see our followers, our total videos, total views, engagement rate, virality score, best posting times, posting frequency analysis, hashtag collection, and you could do this for any TikTok channel or YouTube channel. So just a great way to get a snapshot view of different creators to see what's working, who has higher engagement scores, better performance metrics, virality scores, and so on and so forth. The last thing I want to show you here, they have a viral simulator coming soon, which I'm super excited to see. But they also have find an editor, so you can actually write within the platform here. If you're not a video editor yourself, you can actually request an editor and they'll work to match you with an editor. You can set your budget, the different features that you would want, like audio editing, video editing, thumbnail creation, and so on and so forth. So if you want to put this fully on autopilot, you can work with a professional editor. You can find the viral content ideas and do it all here within the Virlo app. So overall, I really, really like this app. There's a ton that you can do. It's a great way to find trending content in your niche. I would love to hear what you think of it. Drop your questions or comments below. We are working with the creator of this app, so they will read the comments. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please go ahead and send us a note. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching the Maker Thrive YouTube channel.